Welcome to Retro Upgrade. This time we'll be trying to fix this disgustingly pink Hello Kitty DVD player. My friend asked me if I could check it out and see what was wrong with it, so I'll give it a shot. Let's get started. Let's see what's wrong with this DVD player. It starts, that's a good sign. Let's put in a DVD. It tries to read. Oh, it says no disk. Maybe the laser is broken? Let's open it up. While we open it, can we talk about how annoyingly popular this cat is? Look at all this merch. They have games, clothing, underwear, and even vibrators. You can't make this shit up. Anyway, let's keep on going. Okay, so when you open stuff with screens, you have to be very careful because there is always a ribbon cable. Just disconnect every cable you can see and try to open it up. Here I'm using a pair of tweezers. Just checking the DVD drive for movement. It's kind of stuck, but it moves with some force. It loosened up after a few tries. It moves by itself after plugging it in. That's a really good sign. Hold down the DVD cover sensor. It's really close to the CD, so you have to be very careful with your finger. Let's reassemble it and try it again. But before that, I needed to take out the batteries. They have puffed up considerably. I needed to remove the main board to remove the batteries. The footage disappeared, so here's just a few pictures of the batteries. Reinsert the ribbon and flick down the cover. I still don't have any screws in this, so it's a little loose, but it's good enough for testing. I pinched the ribbon here. Be very careful not doing this, you can destroy it immediately. There we go. It's trying to read. Hopefully it works. Oh look, it worked after I loosened it up a little bit. Just needed some movement and maybe some grease. I'll grease it afterwards. If you want to know how to do this, just check out my CD-ROM repair video for the PlayStation 1. Link in the description. I can't really show much of the DVD because of copyright from Disney. Okay, time to reassemble. This is why you should never throw away an item before you try fixing it. This was extremely easy to fix. It just needed a little push. They may have dropped it and it got stuck in place like that, but who knows? And that's all it needed, just a little nudge. Of course, it needs new batteries. I don't have any on hand. It's a 7.2 volt battery, a lithium one. But I'll clean it for him and give it back to him so his daughter can use it. It mostly had dust on it, nothing else. Thank you for watching me fix this disgusting pink thing. If you like stuff like this, consider liking and subscribing. Bye.